DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Vont Bike Headlight Taillight Combination Lights for bikes. So I'm quickly becoming a fan of Vont's lighting technology stuff. I have reviewed some camping lights that they made in the past, and when I found out that they made lights for bikes, seeing I got this new e-bike and I'm trying out new things on it, I had to get this. Like I said earlier, this is a headlight taillight combination. This is the rear light, and you can see that because it turns red when you turn it on. But this one works on a CR2032 battery, and this one is micro USB chargeable. So I like that this is USB rechargeable. I wish this was, because I'm really into having power banks with me on the road and stuff. But just to show you this light, it seems to be two small red LEDs on the side. You push it once, and it's pretty bright. You push it again, and it goes to flash mode. And finally, you push it once more, and it goes to a slower pulsing flash mode, and then off. So it's nice that they have a combo though, because if you don't have a rear light, this might be the way to go. The tail light will go onto your seat post. My seat post is a little different because I have an e-bike and the seat post is a battery, so it's actually pretty thick, so it's not going to fit on there. So I'm probably going to put this on my rear rack. You're just going to hook this around whatever you want. I'm going to try for my rack, and you just put the rubber band in there and it'll tie it all together and stay on your bike. So we'll try this out a little later. Again, I'm going to review just the headlight first, and then we'll see the tail light. Now this is just the regular e-bike light. This is running off the battery of the e-bike. So again, that's why I wanted to get the Vont headlight. But if you see, the beam kind of goes forward, kind of more to the side. If we add the Vont light to it, highest brightness, you're going to get twice the light that you need, which is great to have. So that's why this Vont light is also good to have, even if you have a light in front. And again, I won't have to use the battery of the e-bike. That's bright enough. That's the Vont by itself. So we'll take it for a ride and we'll show it in total darkness. So it's getting darker here, and we're getting the lights ready. Again, here's the Vont headlight coming right at you. And notice that it swivels with the handles, which is always great. So it goes right where you're heading the handlebars, so you can see everything in front of you. And again, you can adjust it up or down based on your handlebars to go further out or closer in. Full brightness, medium brightness, strobe. And here's the rear light that's included in the set. I prefer motion activated rear lights, but it's nice that they throw this in, so I at least wanted to show you what it looks like. It's attached to my little rack bag here, and we'll turn off the lights in the garage and show you how bright it is from a distance. And here's the light in complete darkness. You can see that it's actually reflecting off other things. We're about a good 8 to 10 feet away from it, so it's very highly visible, and it does a nice job. Again, it's battery powered, so you will have to put batteries in it. It's a CR2032 battery, but it does a nice job, and it definitely, you know, finishes out the headlight taillights set. And if you're in the market to just look for lights for the first time, It's really not a bad rear light. It's actually better than the one that came with my bike that I didn't like. Pros and cons about the Vont LED headlight taillight set. I've used these for a while now. I didn't want to just rush into the review without using them for basically a month. I wanted to really make sure I had everything going on. And I will say that I don't really use the tail light, and it's only because I prefer a motion activated one. But I did test it, and it works out great for a basic rear light. Pros: very bright, 3 different settings on the headlight: dim, strobe, off. I have not had to charge this thing another time, but I love that it's micro USB chargeable. Definitely a pro in my book. Not so much with the backlight lamp, because you have to use batteries on this one. Again, I went and bought some motion activated ones anyways that show when you're braking. But again, for a basic set, this is fantastic. Overall, if you're looking for a headlight, I would say just go for this set. The headlight is wicked awesome. It's a constant fixture on my bike. Day, I leave it on strobe to get people's attention. Nighttime, I basically just go full out straight brightness. I don't use the e-bike light unless I really have to, and that's in pure darkness because I have to have the screen on anyways, and it automatically turns on the light if I want backlight. But this, like I showed earlier, puts the light more forward. The brake light, again, is, you know, it's nice. It'll definitely get you visible. I think there are some better options for rear lights, as I've already discussed. But if you're just in the market to get everything done in one shot, the Vont LED headlight taillight combo is for you. The headlight alone is worth the whole combo though. This is a fantastic light, and I highly recommend it. If you'd like to purchase your Vont headlight taillight set for bikes, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you, and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.